In this video, I'm going to show you how I manage 1,000 plus employees. It's a tricky task, especially when your payroll gets over £650,000 a month. You've got to be on it or you start losing money. Let me show you exactly how I do it. We're building brands that families love. We've got multiple brands, multiple businesses, over 1,000 staff in multiple locations. So I obviously can't micromanage every part of the business. I don't micromanage any part of the business, but I've got to bring a senior team together, get them to buy into the vision of the company so that we hit our targets and we actually make some money so we can carry on investing in our business. I need them to understand the vision, the mission, the culture of the business. So I like to pull all of my senior people together for a big day. And in this video, you're going to find out the secrets of how you manage middle management. Let's find out. Like coronavirus is completely behind us now. I think that deserves a big round of applause. I wanted to share with you where we want to take the business over the next year, 5 years and 10 years. Laser Combat and Party Man World together. Where are you guys? Yeah. Can't wait to have a party at your place. Try that again. Party Man World team. That's brilliant. You got about 3 minutes. Every table has got to come up with something that's going to better us as a business. You know, in the early years, we didn't have those strong foundations. Like I feel now, we've got enough property around us that we can weather a storm. You know, so the next COVID that comes along, by the way, we borrowed a lot of money to sort that out, but we could borrow at better rates and at better terms because we've got loads of property around us, which I believe protects jobs and protects the long-term sustainability of the business. Being frugal on costs so we can be generous on investment is one of the best cultural things you can infuse into your team. So we're doing this little guessing game now where the team are having to guess how much it costs us to buy some of our top items in. Things like black sacks, blue roll, toilet rolls, drinks and food. They have to guess and then they sometimes get shocked. Oh my God, I can't believe how much we're paying for that. So that really infuses that culture into the business so that we can save some money, because if they behave in a certain way and make that their culture and their behavioural traits of saving money, then we're on to a winner. We're going to be playing the how much does it cost quiz. The toilet cleaner that we buy in all of our venues, how much does it cost a bottle? £3.50, write that up. £6. He's not going to be doing the buying.
£2.66p.
How does she know that? That's the end of that one. There's obviously a cheater in our midst. A heavy duty rubbish sack. These are the black bags that we buy. This is in our top 10 most purchased products, these black sacks. What do you reckon on this table? Julie, what do you reckon?
6p.
You'd be wrong. What do you think on this table? Brogan's quite frugal. 6p? Absolutely not. I mean...
21p.
36p. 16 pence. Leah's table, what do you think? I can't believe that I'm saying it. Is this true? 83p. As of today, customers take their rubbish home with them. Motion passed. There will be no bins. How much does a polo cost us? A polo shirt. Jazz, what's it cost us per polo shirt? £3? £3? £14.75. £7.50. Used to be. 8.75, no, I'll tell you, they're £10 each. Let me tell you now, we never stop paying for that stuff, so please be frugal with uniforms. One of my big jobs is to constantly talk about our labour bill. Until the day I die, I will have to do that. Yeah, because if I don't keep an eye on it, we'll just be gone. You would not believe what we spend on utilities. It is a joke. So the Rossi factory is £1,500 a week on electric. I mean, mind-boggling. I'm going to have a little game now. Where do you think we could save some money? I'd like an idea from every table. So whenever we're paying a £20,000 salary, that really costs the business £26,000 because we've got you guys don't see this on your pay slip, but we have this thing called Employers National Insurance. So you pay NI, but we also pay NI on top, which is like a tax on employing people. I'm posting out just allowing for £20,000 salary costs us £3,000 just to employ the person, which obviously doesn't get shown on your pay slips. It's safe to say, in the 20 years we've been doing it, we have never known recruitment to be such a challenge. And 20 people said they were going to turn up. and no one turned up. So this used to be our mantra on recruitment: hire slow, fire fast. Whereas I think now we've gone back to, if you've got a pulse, you've got a job, which is not really where we want to be. And then I always used to say recruit on attitude over skill set. Well, again, if you've got a pulse, you've got a job. So we don't really want it to be like that. What about when you're offering people promotion and levels up? Are you getting, no, I don't want to do that, I'd rather stay as a room, a nursery nurse rather than you're getting that?
And stepping back.
No, look, the way you answer the phone, the way you talk to customers, the way your uniform looks is really important to driving customer service and making us leaders of customer experience. You think about the 4 E's, driving energy, enthusiasm and entertainment and experience to our customers. That really makes a difference, and I just want us to be on customer service. I go round parts of the business, I'm like, we're not as good as we used to be, and that is because of COVID. We need to be talking about how much we care about that. Some businesses don't really care about customer service. They talk about it, but I'm really, really passionate about it, and Aaron and Jenks, really passionate about it. We really got to be talking about how important customer service is to us all the time. If we can get Marsh Farms' average spend up by £1 per customer a year, and if we get 250,000 customers a year in the business, that's £250,000. So I don't want to just drive turnover, I want to drive average customer value. Let's be frugal on costs so we can be generous on investment, and let's increase average customer value. They're the 2 big things I want you to take away when you trundle out of here today. How can we increase average customer value? How can we be more frugal on our costs? We do those 2 things, that's how we're going to get through these terrible inflationary pressures. We're definitely in recession as well, by the way, guys, but I feel we're in a good place to battle those 2 problems. I've done lots of these whole day things. I've done lots of seminars with business owners. You get told so much information in a day that people forget things and they don't really go away with takeaways because so much has been said. So I reaffirm everything after every session I do. I go, right, what's the 2-3 things you've learned from this session that we could take away to grow our business? And there was 2 big things I wanted to get a takeaway. Number 1, being frugal on costs so we can be generous on investment. And I reaffirmed that throughout the day. And number 2 was increasing average customer value, because that is what management control. It's down to us with marketing to get customers in and get investment into the business to attract customers to come to us. But when they're actually in our businesses, increasing average customer value is all about those people in the room doing the right upselling, doing the right good customer service, and that's what I think we achieved from today. Doing days like today improves culture in your business. People understand the future, they understand where we're going to go, they feel part of the community. If you can make your business feel like quote unquote a religion by doing stuff like this, then you're really building a following, and that's what I hope we achieve today, building a following of advocates, ambassadors for our team members that work for those people to build a great business. That's what we did.